So we walk into a job site and the first thing we do is lay everything out, so we know of any problems before we get to them. And then basically it's installing cabinets, level and plumb. So if you put a marble on your countertop, it doesn't roll. That's the idea. My son and I work together. He's already a pretty good carpenter, actually quite good, just not as fast. I'm 46, and on most job sites that I go to, I'm the youngest guy. I see a lot of guys in their 60s building homes and finishing them, and they're going to be retiring soon. For young guys who want to work, this is a really good opportunity.